Most amazing heavy machinery in the world. In a world driven by industrial innovation and construction feats, heavy machinery stands as the backbone of engineering, agriculture, and forestry. These machines aren't just tools, they are marvels of modern technology, each designed to tackle monumental tasks that defy human capability alone. From aquatic cutters that harness the power of high-pressure water to mammoth tractors that cultivate thousands of acres, these machines are not only a testament to human ingenuity, but are also crucial in shaping the world around us. Hydrodemolition Aqua Cutter. The Hydrodemolition Aqua Cutter is not your average demolition tool. This robotic marvel uses high-pressure water jets to safely and efficiently remove concrete, reducing the need for manual jackhammering, which can be labor-intensive and less precise. The Aqua Cutter is engineered to target the exact areas needing repairs without damaging the surrounding structures. This precision preserves the integrity of the building's reinforcement bars and provides a clean surface for the application of new concrete, which is crucial in ensuring the longevity and safety of the structure. What makes the Aqua Cutter truly outstanding is its adaptability. CM Rubber Tire Shredder. Imagine the environmental impact of tire waste, and you'll understand why the CM Rubber Tire Shredder is a game-changer in recycling. This massive machine is designed to break down tires into rubber crumbs, which can then be reused in various applications such as paving roads, manufacturing new tires, or creating molded products. The shredder handles everything from car and truck tires to heavy-duty off-road tires, efficiently turning what would be environmental waste into valuable materials. DeWalt QST 3000D Chainsaw. The DeWalt QST 3000D chainsaw redefines power and precision in forestry management. Unlike traditional chainsaws, this heavy-duty machine is designed to tackle large-scale tree cutting with astonishing speed and accuracy. It features a powerful engine that delivers consistent torque, enabling it to cut through massive trunks smoothly. Additionally, its ergonomic design minimizes operator fatigue, which is crucial during extended use in commercial forestry operations. Safety is paramount in the design of the QST 3000D. T2 Log Stacker. The T2 Log Stacker stands as a colossus in the logging industry, revolutionizing the way timber is handled, moved, and processed. Designed to lift several tons of logs at a time, this machine significantly reduces the labor and time typically required to stack and transport logs from forests to mills. Its robust construction and powerful lifting capabilities ensure that it can operate in varied terrain and weather conditions, which is critical in the often unpredictable environments of large-scale logging operations. Rotor Stump Cutter. The rotor stump cutter offers a swift and effective method for clearing stumps from the land, whether for agricultural preparation, construction, or landscape management. This heavy-duty machine grinds down stumps into wood chips, which can then decompose naturally into the soil, enriching it and making it ready for new vegetation. Unlike traditional methods, which often involve manual labor or the use of chemicals, the rotor stump cutter provides an eco-friendly solution that preserves the soil's integrity. Panther T14R. The Panther T14R is a transformative machine in the world of heavy machinery, particularly within the realm of material handling and earth moving. Its design focuses on versatility and efficiency, offering a rotating upper structure that allows it to maneuver and dump materials in a 360-degree range, without the need to move the entire machine. This unique feature significantly reduces the time and space needed for various operations, making it ideal for confined or complex job sites where traditional earth movers would struggle. Challenger MT875E. The Challenger MT875E stands out in the field of agriculture as a prime example of how advanced machinery can revolutionize farming practices. This massive tractor is equipped with a powerful engine that delivers unmatched efficiency and traction over a wide range of soil conditions. With its advanced traction management system, the Challenger MT875E ensures minimal soil compaction and maximum usability of the land, crucial for maintaining soil health and productivity. Case IH9240 Combine Harvester. The Case IH9240 Combine Harvester redefines the harvest process with its innovative features and powerful performance. This machine is designed to handle the demands of large-scale farming operations, providing a fast, clean, and efficient harvest. Its advanced rotor technology allows for gentle yet effective threshing, minimizing grain damage and maximizing output, a crucial factor in profitable farming. Moreover, the 9240 is equipped with a state-of-the-art automation system, including GPS tracking and yield mapping. Borgalt 7950 Air Seeder. The Borgalt 7950 Air Seeder epitomizes precision and innovation in planting technology. Designed for exceptional accuracy in seed placement, this machine ensures that seeds are evenly distributed and planted at the optimal depth across vast fields. This precision planting plays a vital role in maximizing germination rates and ultimately crop yields. The air seeder's ability to handle a variety of seed types and sizes with meticulous adjustment settings allows for customized planting suited to specific crop needs and soil conditions. Big Roy 8DWB Model 1080 Tractor. Lastly, Big Roy 8DWB Model 1080 Tractor stands as a monumental figure in agricultural machinery. Known for its massive size and equally impressive power, this 8-wheel behemoth is designed to tackle the most challenging agricultural tasks with ease. The tractor's 4-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and power distribution, ensuring it performs optimally in diverse and difficult soil conditions. Echo Challenger MT975B Tractor. The Echo Challenger MT975B tractor is another heavyweight in the field of advanced agricultural equipment, offering unparalleled power and efficiency for large-scale farming operations. Equipped with a highly efficient engine and a sophisticated traction control system, the MT975B excels in providing the necessary power to handle various farming implements, from plows to seeders, across extensive and diverse terrains. Hydro-Demolition Aqua Cutter. The Hydro-Demolition Aqua Cutter is a marvel in the field of concrete demolition, representing a shift towards more environmentally friendly and efficient practices. This method not only preserves the structural integrity of the remaining concrete, but also significantly minimizes the risk to workers from airborne contaminants and physical hazards associated with percussive demolition techniques. CM Rubber Tire Shredder. The CM Rubber Tire Shredder addresses one of the pressing environmental issues of our time: tire waste management. Designed to efficiently break down used tires into small pieces, this machine is crucial for recycling efforts, as it transforms waste into usable materials such as asphalt additives or playground coverings. The shredder's robust construction and powerful cutting technology allow it to handle a high volume of tires, significantly reducing the space they occupy in landfills. DeWalt QST 3000D Chainsaw. The DeWalt QST 3000D chainsaw stands out in the market of power tools for its robust performance and reliability. Designed for heavy-duty cutting tasks, this chainsaw combines a powerful motor with a durable chain that can cut through large trees and tough materials with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures user comfort and safety, reducing fatigue during extended use and providing better control over the cutting process. TechWise Log Stacker. The TechWise Log Stacker revolutionizes the logging industry by dramatically improving the efficiency and safety of log handling operations. This heavy machinery is designed to lift, stack, and transport large logs over considerable distances with ease. Its powerful hydraulic system and robust design enable it to handle the considerable weight and size of forest logs, reducing the physical strain on workers and the time taken to transport logs from the forest to processing areas. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.